What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and in this video, I will be unboxing my beauty boxes for the month of November. So right now I have my Ipsy and my Boxycharm. The Diva Bag by Sonya always comes at the very end of the month, so I don't have that one yet, but I will be unboxing it in this video. You're just going to see me in a whole different outfit and all that fun stuff because it comes so late, and I really don't want to wait to unbox these because I kind of want to see what's inside them. So I'm going to go ahead and do these ones first, and then I'll be doing my Diva Bag by Sonya later in the video in a totally different outfit. So without further ado, let's jump into this thing. Okay guys, so we're going to start with my Ipsy Glam bag. So here's the bag that it comes in. That's a, ooh, okay, Ipsy. Nothing inside the bubble wrap bag. Oh, it's pretty, you guys. Oh wow, it's got like a orange stripe down the center. This is very fall. I still am a huge fan of leopard print. I still have a ton of leopard print stuff, and I definitely wear it all of the time. So yeah, this is a really cute bag, you guys. All right, let's see if there's anything. Ooh, they do have the products listed in the little card here. So let's pop her open and see what's going inside. Oh, there's nothing fancy with the zipper pull. Usually they have a fancy zipper pull, and I love when they do that. But this time it's just a gold Ipsy zipper pull. Got something I'm pulling out here and some bubble wrap. Let's open it up here. Formula Z. Is this blush? Yeah, it's a mini blush. Extra fierce. So here it is inside the packaging. I definitely like the color, you know, I definitely can see myself wearing it. Let's go ahead and pop it open so you guys can see it. Oh, is it sealed? Something must have tape on it somewhere because it doesn't want to pop open for me. Or maybe I'm just having trouble. Apparently I'm just having trouble. Here it is. With the little thing opened. I really do like the color. It's very pretty. Okay. So this is, of course, a deluxe sample. The full size cost of this product is 16 grams and it costs $32. I do not ever see myself paying $32 for some blush. I'm just saying, but I am happy to have it, and I definitely will give it a try. Okay, what do I have here? Perfection 100 all-in-one facial eye cream. Okay, I love the eye creams, guys. I'm always happy to get them. This one is 15 milliliters or 0.5 fluid ounces. I gotta say, this is really big, you guys. I'm wondering if this is a full-size product because it's really big for an eye cream. So we're gonna check the little thing here and let's see. No, it's a deluxe sample. So the full-size version of this product is $34, and that's really good because usually when I get eye creams in these things, it's astronomical, the price of it. And this is actually the size of it, and you know, the cost will be like $100. And this one's $34 for a full-size version, which is 35 milliliters. So it's like double this, double and a half of this, I guess you can say, something like that. Double point and then 5 milliliters added. You guys know what I'm saying. All right, let's move on. I'm happy to give that a try. I'm messing everything up, you guys. Okay, this is Sephora Ultra Glow Serum. Oh, it's got vitamin C and E in it. Okay, I definitely will probably use this. It's clearly a deluxe sample. It's very small. So, I mean, you'll get still quite a few uses out of it, but it's definitely very small. It's 8 milliliters or 0.27 fluid ounces. And the full-size version of this product is 30 milliliters for $16. Not bad. So if I like it, I'll definitely, you know, buy it again because it's a very reasonable price. Tatcha the water cream. Water cream. What is a water cream, you guys? What do you do with water cream? Is it just like to moisturize your face? I don't know. Let's take a look here. So this is a deluxe sample. It doesn't, oh yes it does, 10 milliliters, 10 milliliter deluxe sample. The full size version is 50 milliliters and it costs $69. Oh, oily skin needs hydration too. Without it, it becomes dull. Okay. So this is obviously to hydrate your skin. Pop this cream in your fridge. It feels extra refreshing and calm puffiness when you apply. Oh, I'm glad I read the tip. Well, that's kind of cool. I might go ahead and keep that. Usually I don't keep stuff like that, but I might. I mean, my face needs moisturizing. Oh, we got a tiny mini palette here. Super cute. Luna Magic. So here it is inside the packaging. Looks like you're going to get some blue and brown here. Very fall. I like it. It's definitely very pretty. So let's go ahead and swatch, you guys, really quick. Ooh, the brown's gonna not really show. Ooh, that's pretty though. Look at that. I think that's really pretty. Love those two colors together. So do I have any? Yes, I do. I always do stuff like this and then I never know if I'm prepared and have like a way to wipe off what I just did, you know? I'm glad that I do, but you know, I never actually know if I'm fully prepared or not. Okay, so the Luna Magic is obviously a deluxe sample. The full-size version is $16, which isn't bad. Okay, that's cool. So that was my Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of November. Guys, I'll be honest with you. I gotta pause for a second because I don't know what I did with my Boxycharm. So I need to find it and then I'll unbox it for you. Okay, guys, sorry about that. I sat it down in a place that I probably shouldn't have sat it down. So anyways, I found it. So here it is. Woo! There's my Boxycharm for November. Let's go ahead and pop it open. Now, I did tally it up, so I've already opened it, and it's kind of tousled about probably because, you know, I opened it. It's giving giftable glam. Okay, so there's their little slogan for the month of November. They have everything on here, and like I said, I did tally it up this time, so let's go ahead and dig in. We have a Lip Slick Fruit Lip Oil, Sophia and Mabel. Okay, I did not open this all the way. I just kind of, you know, looked really quick to see what was in here. So let's open it up. I don't know what the color is or anything. I didn't take a look that much. Oh, okay. It's here it is, guys. Here it is outside of the packaging there. I was not expecting this color. I don't know. Let's take a look at it here. Should I put some on? Okay. I mean, obviously I have a ton of stuff on, so I really can't. That's not bad. It's not sticky, which is huge. Whatever I have on right now is sticky and it's driving me nuts. So the Sophia Mabel, it's $22 for this. Wow. That's small, guys. 22 bucks. I mean, it's probably going to last me a while, but man, it's really small. I don't know. Whatever. Let's move on to the next thing here. We have, oh, it's a lip scrub. I'm like, what? Amina, I guess is how you pronounce it. Macaroon lip scrub. Okay, it looks very interesting. So let's go ahead and turn this jar around for you guys so you guys can kind of see it. See, that looks really fun, right? I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I do use lip scrubs, but you know, not that often. Okay, it smells good. Okay. All right, guys, here it is outside of the packaging. You know, I'll definitely give this a go. It's kind of big for a lip scrub, to be honest with you. So let's see how much I charge for this. It's probably like $2,000 or something crazy. Okay, so this is the lip scrub. Oh, it's only $18. So that's reasonable. Yeah, I'm definitely excited to give that a try. Let's see how that goes. And then we have Bell and Argent Reframing. Reframing what? Is this a mascara? Oh, it's clear brow gel. Okay, here you go. Will I use this? Probably not. Even though it's clear, which I'm happy they sent me clear. I'd rather they sent me clear than brown, which was what they were doing for a while. But here it is outside the packaging. I don't know because I don't really slick my eyebrows down or anything like that. So I don't know that I will actually use this. And being that it's clear, it could definitely go into a giveaway. So I just might do that with it. Let's go ahead and check out what the retail. Okay, so the price of that one is $19. That's not bad. All right, let's see what's next here. We have Chase 7S Complex. Oh, Saturday Skin. Pretty Pop. It's a probiotic power whipped cream. Okay, I think this brand is good. I'm pretty sure that they're pretty good. This is probably going to be an expensive item that's in here, actually. I haven't run across anything ridiculously priced yet. I think I just did. Probiotic whipped powder. All right, so here it is, you guys. I think I'm going to go ahead and open this because I will most likely keep it. Oh, it's like sealed. Hold on, let's see what it is before I open it. A soft and luxurious whipped cream with encapsulated probiotics activated by prebiotics for healthy and radiant looking skin. Okay, I'm going to keep it. That's $57. And like I said, I knew I would come across something that's ridiculously priced. So you get 50 milliliters or 1.69 fluid ounces for that price. I'm going to go ahead and open it, guys, because I'll give it a try. Why not? Ooh. Oh, it smells really good. Here it is. So I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit on my skin. Just to put a little bit on my skin, I guess. What's it going to do? I guess it's going to make my skin look radiant. That's what it claimed anyways, right? Okay. So, yeah, definitely smells good. It feels good. I'm sure that my skin will love it. Okay, so I'm really glad I got foam in this one. I don't know about you guys, but I've been missing this foam because I actually use this all the time for other things. So I'm really glad they started putting it back in there. So I have this Item Cosmetics palette. Let's see here. Looks like I can open it one of two ways here. Let's see if I can just open it. Let's see. Hold on. Oh my goodness, the scissors were like stuck together. What in the world? Okay, if I can just get this popped up here. Let's go ahead and see what we got going on here. Okay, whoops. All right, item in my element eyeshadow palette. Oh, can you guys see it? All I see is glare. Hopefully you guys are seeing it. I think you can see it now, so hopefully you guys see it. All right, let's go ahead. Oh, it's got a mirror. Okay. The colors are fine. I really like the Moonstar color the best, I think. But you know what? Every color that I think I like the best, here you go. Here's the palette, guys. It's really pretty. I'm definitely going to keep it and all that stuff. I can see myself using actually almost the entire thing. I'm really not a fan of the oranges, but the rest of it I think will be fine for me. So yeah, definitely happy to have it. All right, let's go ahead and see how much the palette cost. Item Beauty, oh, it's only 24 bucks. Very reasonable price. So the most expensive thing in my box this time was that Saturday Skin stuff. So we can go ahead and do a quick recap. I got the Item Beauty by Addison Rae in my Element eyeshadow palette. The total cost of that is $24. Then I got the Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. The value for that product is $57. Then I got the Sophie and Mabel Lip Slick Fruit Lip Oil, valued at $22. Then I have the Amina Macaroon Lip Scrub. The value for that was $18. Then I got the Bella and Argent Reframing Brow Gel. It was a clear color. And the value for that product was $19, making the total value for this month's box $140. As always, guys, I always think Boxycharm's 100% worth it. 9 times out of 10, they do not disappoint me. So I will most likely, no, I know that I'm going to be renewing this subscription next year. I do it yearly, and I think it renews in March. So I'm definitely going to renew this one. Ipsy was on deck to be canceled, but I don't know. They've been sending me more and more stuff that I'm interested in. So I'm kind of debating whether or not I'm going to cancel it. Right now, I'm leaning more towards canceling, but we're going to have to see. I don't know. If they keep up in their game like they have been, maybe I'll keep getting it. We'll have to see how it goes. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and stop for today. And then as soon as I get my Diva Bag by Sonya, you're going to see me pop in with that one, and then we'll finish out the video. Okay, guys, so now we're ready for the Diva Bag by Sonya for the month of November. My hair is looking all crazy and stuff like that, guys, because I just got done working at my son's school. I'm helping with their Santa's workshop. When I got home, I just like ripped my hair out, and I was like, I gotta film. So I didn't feel like putting it back in. I just put it up, and you guys are just getting the natural look for the rest of the video. Just saying. All right, so I normally show you guys what it says on the front here, but I love how she personalizes it. And it says, to the lovely Amber Meeks, and I just can't hold the box up. It's really awkward for me to hold the box up without showing my address. So we're not gonna do that this time, but that's what it says, to the lovely Amber Meeks. This is the first time I've popped the box open, so you guys can get a little sneak peek at what's in here. And it looks like I just dropped the card that was on top, so we'll come back to that later. But we'll go ahead and start with the things that are on top here. So the first thing I have is Mary Kay Botanical Effects. This is a refreshing toner. I really don't use toners, so this might be something that you guys see in a future giveaway, because I'm really not a toner kind of person. But I don't know, we'll have to see. Sometimes I just try stuff because Sonya sent it to me, and then I end up loving it. So we'll have to see. There you go. That's what the packaging looks like inside. Okay, so I don't know. I might put it in a giveaway. I might keep it. We'll have to see how that goes. This is super, super cute. Stop it. It has a button and everything. Look at this, you guys. I believe this is like an ear warmer headband thing. Look at that flower on the side of that. That is so cute. And then it has like a button right here for you to put it on and off. I love this. This is so freaking cute. That is adorable. Okay, I'm gonna put that right there. What else do we have here? Mary Kay Warm Hues eyeshadow palette. Okay, check that out, you guys. This one's 25 bucks a month. I don't know if I told you guys that. It's $25 a month, and plus shipping and handling. So you do have to pay shipping and handling, but for me it comes out to like 30 bucks, so it's really not that much. Here's what it looks like outside of the package. So inside of the package. Let's try that again. Ooh, it's pretty, you guys. Oh, wow. Look at that. That is so pretty. That is super, super pretty. I am loving it. Okay. Definitely happy to have that. All right. Please set this to the side here. Okay, so here's our card. We'll do that last. Oh, we got some fruit juice. I love these flavored Tootsie Rolls, you guys. The only thing I hate about her putting the candy in here is that it always makes me want to buy a whole bunch of the candy that she got. I'm just saying. So I have a little baggie. How cute is this? Full of some stuff. So let's check it out. Let's check it out. Ooh, bracelets, you guys. Two of them are very similar, but you can wear them all together. So let me show you them one at a time. Here's one. My hands look all crazy because I'm doing the Santa's workshop, you guys, at my son's school. So my hands got paint and stuff on them, and that's after they've been washed, I'm just saying. And then we have this one here. Oh, it says, I love you. How cute. Maybe I'll put this in my stocking like it's from my son. Don't you think that would be cute? I think it would be cute. Okay, and then I have this one here. It has like a feather on it. Loving that one. That one's very cool. And then I also have this one. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so fun. And again, this one is only 25 bucks a month, and I just got 4 bracelets in this little baggie. How cool is that? We're not done yet, guys. There's something else in here. Hold on. I'm trying to work around these peanuts. I'm not a packing peanut person. So it's a shirt. Is it a shirt? Oh no, it's a dress, you guys. It's a dress this time. Very pretty. I always get my stuff bigger, you guys, because I like to turn it into something else. So this is a 2X, and I'm not a 2X clearly. But yeah, this is really cute, you guys. Definitely digging the dress. That was a really awesome box, you guys. I love that. You'll have to let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite, Ipsy, Boxycharm, or the Diva Bag by Sonya. For me, it's always usually the Diva Bag by Sonya because I just like the unique stuff that she puts in there. But I love all the boxes that I get, so I have no complaints with any of them this month. I thought they were pretty awesome. All right, guys, I have links in my description box for all of these beauty boxes, Ipsy, Boxycharm, and the Diva Bag by Sonya. If you don't have them already and are interested in getting them, just click one of the links below and it will take you right to their website. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! So right now I have my Ipsy, my Boxycharm. You're going to see me like in a different outfit and all that fun stuff when I do my Diva Bag by Sonya, because it's the one that I get the last. The what? It's the one I get last. Wow. Try it again. Okay, guys, sorry about that. I sat up. Yep. Woo! We're good. Okay, guys, so here's my Diva Bag by Sonya. Yeah, hold on. Okay, guys, so now we're ready for the Diva Bag by Sonya for the month of November. And my hair is looking all crazy and stuff like that. I just got done working from the, yep. Okay, guys, so now we're ready for the, yep. Okay, guys, so now we're ready for the Diva Bag by Sonya for the month of November. And my hair looks all crazy and stuff like that, guys. I just got done working at the school for my son. And my son, what?